and welcome back to my channel. It is so great to see your beautiful face as always, and today is part 2 of my summer skincare glow up series. This is the PM edition. I know it looks like it's daytime because this giant ring light that's illuminating my face, but it is actually nighttime, and I'm going to show you some really amazing anti-aging, moisturizing, hydrating tips to help your summer skin look baby soft and flawless all summer long. And Nate and I had a great day today. We hung out with some friends because they got a puppy, sweet little Otis baby. And it was just really, really nice to catch up with some humans. We haven't really done a lot of that. So just like really intimate get-togethers have been so heartwarming and wonderful. And Ponza and Otis had a blast. Otis is a cattle dog and he had lots of energy and was kind of herding Ponza around, so it was very, very cute. I'll insert clip here. Woo! And just FYI, I do have some makeup on my face right now. I have some brow, I have some mascara on, so I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup and all those details because I normally am not wearing makeup. So this is a good little addition. I get asked a lot about makeup remover on this channel, and truly I don't use makeup remover. I will just do more of a double cleanse with the cleanser that I'm loving right now, which is the xoxo Japanese Beauty cleanser that you saw in my AM video. And of course, if you missed the AM portion of this video, definitely watch it. I'm going to link it right here so you can click on it. There are some similar products, but I do love to switch it up. That's a big thing with AM and PM because I want different actives on my skin working. And you really can see that if you just take some time to wash your face and really wash off your makeup and around your eyes, you don't really need a makeup remover. That's just not a step that I've ever really felt like I've needed. But if you do wear a lot of makeup, you know, an oil cleanse or a double cleanse might be something you want to look into. But to be honest, because I'm acne prone, I just haven't really mastered it or learned how to. But if you have an oil cleansing product that you love or like a tutorial that you've loved, definitely leave it below because I would love to watch, and who knows, maybe next skincare video I will incorporate that. But after I cleanse, then I'm gonna do an essence instead of a toner. So in the daytime I use an essence, at night I'm gonna use a toner. It's a little bit more hydrating, a little more nourishing, and the serum and moisturizer I'm gonna use are much more active and powerful in this skincare routine, so I like to keep it a little more basic with the essence. The interesting thing about essence is it's not as well known in our vernacular of skincare in the United States. It's really big in K-beauty. Pretty much just hydrating ingredients that help balance the pH of your skin and lay the perfect foundation for absorption of serums. And this one is from Primera. It's a K-beauty company, green beauty company. This is the Miracle Seed Essence, and it aims to brighten and hydrate and create dewiness, which are all the things that I want in skincare. Again, I'm doing my weird thing where I just like to splash it on my face. And you know what? Hoops are really bad for skincare, so it's just not helpful. I'm gonna take these bad boys off. Ooh. Okay. So now I've got my essence on. And I love to slap it in. Is there a purpose? Does it help with absorption? These are all questions that I ask myself. Potentially. But it does feel good. It's supposed to bring some blood flow to the skin, which helps, you know, really absorb the product into the tissue and la 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 la. I don't know, try it. Your friends might think you're crazy, but it's kind of fun. And all the way down to the décolleté. Next is this amazing serum that I love so much. It's the January Labs Triple triple active reclaiming serum. Is that right? Oh, I'm so glad that I got it right. You know, sometimes when you use a product forever and you don't even really know the name of it. I remembered. So this is a natural form of retinol. It has tons of actives in it. It's really great for the skin. It's also safe enough to use on sensitive skin. It is a little spendy, but your girl's in her 30s and she needs actives. This is the time to prevent early signs of aging, and it's just worth it to me. So once I get that on there, then I'm gonna use something crazy amazing that I'm so excited about. There's this brand called Cryo, and you may have seen their patches and things that they have for overnight stuff to reduce wrinkles, but they have this new tool that's called the Cryo drop. It's a magnetic surgical steel or stainless steel wand that helps infuse your serums and gives you like an anti-puffing, beautiful facial massage, and oh my god, it feels so good. You put it in the fridge, and then after you put on a serum, you do a facial massage with it, and it's actually magnetic, which helps to draw the product into your skin. Oh my god, it feels so, so good, my loves. After I had Mandy mad, which I said in the first video, do her skincare routine on my Instagram, which you should definitely check out if you haven't before. If you're new to my channel, just found me on YouTube, and you like this kind of holistic skincare content, I post every single day on Instagram. I have tons of product reviews, tons of tutorials, and I just love hanging out with you over there too. But Mandy came on and she was using this metallic device, skincare device, and oh my gosh, it looked so heavenly. Okay, I need more serum. There we go. But this Cryo drop thing feels so good, I can't even tell you. And the key is with any of these facial massaging devices is you want enough slip so that you can move the tool, but not so much that it glides too easily, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. Seriously, it feels so incredibly good. And I don't know about where you are, but in Los Angeles, it's like 95 degrees today. You might even be able to hear the humming of our AC in the background, but it is really hot. So these Cryo drops feel so, so good. And the key to this is lifting. You always want to do facial massage in an upward direction. Oh my god, it feels so good. And I personally always do a lot more passes with any kind of massage I'm doing on the right side of my face, because throughout most of my life that was the side that I slept on. The wildest thing is that the side of your face you sleep on actually has long-term tissue damage because of the weight of your human head. So it breaks down bone, it breaks down collagen, it breaks down all different tissues in the face, so you're left with one side of your face that has more laxity and looks older. And when I was in my nursing profession, I could look at someone in 2 seconds and tell you whether or not they slept on one side or their other, or probably their back, because you can just see the laxity. So it's a constant mission for me now to try to correct that with facial massage, even with doing more Botox on this side than the other, to try to create some semblance of symmetry, even though it's not really possible for a human face to be symmetrical. While I do this massage, let me talk to you a little bit more about retinol. It's obviously a huge buzzy skincare product, and it is really beneficial. I really love retinol, and what retinol does is it just speeds up cell turnover. That's why it's anti-aging. And prescription ones that you get can be really irritating, which it's really just helping you slough off skin faster, rebuild new tissue. And the ones that are natural, like this one, are a little gentler and speed up cell turnover, not quite at the same rate, but it's gentler on the skin, so you don't get all of the negative side effects associated with retinol, like flaking, peeling, redness. but you still can get a little irritation. And some ways that you can decrease potential for irritation is you want to apply it to skin that's cool. So I only wash my face with cold water. If you're using retinol, you want to wash your skin with cold water. If your skin is really hot, it can add to the irritation. The other thing is, if you're going to spend your money on retinol and start incorporating retinol into your routine, you need to be a sun safety warrior, just like I am, because it does make your skin more sun sensitive and you can get more sunburns, which will take away from all of the benefits of your retinol, because the sun is the most aging thing in the world. So 2 hot tips for retinol, but I definitely suggest using it. I think mid to late 20s, early 30s and older, it's a great thing to start incorporating because it's really going to give you a lot of benefit. And then whenever you're doing any kind of facial massage tool, you want to go down the neck, because that's really the path for the lymphatic drainage. So you want to make sure you stimulate it a little bit to just promote good lymph drainage. If you do get a tool like this, you want to wash it with face wash and store it in a clean place. You don't want bacteria to build up on this. Next, seal in that beautiful serum and massage with a little mist. This is one I use in the AM2, the Linné Mineral Refresh. It's really nice. Hydrating, feels good, all the things that you want. Then we're gonna do, oh my gosh, this is my hero product of life. This is one product I always have to have in my arsenal. If you've watched this channel before, if you know me, you know that I'm always testing and trying new things. This is the one thing I can't go without, and this one's almost empty. I traveled with it. It looks a little scratched up, but it is so fantastic. It's the January Labs Retexturizing Night Cream. It is full of alpha hydroxy acids and deep hydrators to really almost give you this cocoon of treatment and moisture. It is next level stuff. It smells a little funky. It smells a little bit waxy or like crayons, a little bit acidic and alive and fermented. And you know what? It's worth it. Your significant other will get used to it. And I've just never found a product that leaves my skin feeling so glowy and hydrated in the morning without breaking me out. This also, because it has AHAs, helps prevent against breakouts. So it's truly my favorite product of all time. Like, quote me, save it. If I ever say that again about anything else, you can call me out. But this is just, it's my ride or die. So I highly suggest, if you're looking for a night cream, try this one. Now I'm gonna go eye cream. My under eyes have never really been a problem area. I don't have a ton of fine lines because I get Botox. I don't really have a ton of hollowing. I don't have a lot of dark circles. That's more of a genetic thing. So for me, eye cream isn't the most important thing, but I do want to protect my skin. This full lane eye cream, brightening and firming, I like it. I look more at texture and smell and price point when it comes to eye cream. And I'm actually going to do a video for you loves comparing different hyaluronic acid eye creams, because that's my favorite ingredient in eye cream. It's just a really nice hydrator. So I'm going to compare 3 different price points, just like I did with the vitamin C video, and find the best one, because people ask me all the time about eye creams and I don't often have the best answer. So I'm going to do the research. I'm going to come back to you with so many more details than I have right now, but for now, just something hydrating that feels good. And if you have, if this is your main problem area, I do have some suggestions for you. You can comment below and I'll get back to you. But for me, this one's nice and it's not crazy expensive. And then I'm gonna finish with the Naturopathica Sweet Cherry Lip Butter that I love so much. And that's all she wrote. I'm feeling like a dewy, glowy, lifted, chilled nighttime skincare goddess. And you can be too. It's really just about layering the products in the right way so that you're supporting your skin so it can be its healthiest, happiest self. And I just really hope that you got some value from this. I know skincare application and order can be really confusing, and how you do things for summer versus fall and winter. And really the main difference for this treatment in summer is the cryo drop, nice cooling facial massage, and then using products that are really, really active and things that aren't really heavy like oils, like keeping it really active, keeping it light, and you know, decently minimal for me. So I hope you loved that. If you did, you don't even know how much it would mean to me if you would subscribe, hit the bell, all of the things. I know if you're watching right now and you haven't done it yet, it's just like an annoying little thing that every YouTuber asks for you to do. But if you would please, 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 it would mean so much to me. And let me know what you want to see next. I told you I was going to do the hyaluronic eye creams, but if there's anything specific you want to see or you want to learn about, I'm your girl. I'm happy to help. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. I will see you next Tuesday, and I just love you so much.